everybody, and welcome back to Wolf Quest 3, where we are here with Shadow and his mate Star, currently outside the den. And so let's just eat this chunk of meat really quickly. And so this time, we are really gonna try for that last push to get our pups up to 15 pounds so that we can go to the summer hunting ground. So we are actually going to go hunt right now. Get inside. Yeah, I know how it works. Predators are gonna come. What part of get inside do you not understand, rambunctious little pups? Wait, are they actually hungry? All the more reason for us to get food. Alright, so now Star will come. And wait, what did I have in mind? So Bullock Lake, but let's see if we smell anything. Oh, Crevice Lake. Oh, guys, and also, since, ooh, bunny. Bunny. Wait, I'm so confused. What? Oh, did it go this way? I think it did. So, since the Crevice Lake Pack actually is the ones who kicked, wow, this bunny went very far. Who kicked Shadow, it's having a little trouble, who kicked Shadow, who wanted Shadow kicked out of the Prospect Peak Pack. Let's actually leave that for Star. Hey, want it? There. Let's see, how hungry is she actually? Oh, okay, so she's not that hungry. None of us are, but there was something evil over here. I can always tell by the music. No? Okay. What is that? Hey, mule deer. Nice. Yeah, but, what was I saying? Oh yeah, so since the Crevice Lake Pack is the ones who actually wanted Shadow kicked out of the Prospect Peak Pack, we are now going to rename them the Blood Lake Pack because they're out for blood. So also from now on, all of the heirs to the Eclipse Pack will make it their goal pretty much to take over as much Blood Lake Pack as they can. I think those are Bullock again. Yeah. Oh, yes! Star, come on. Come on, Star. I really feel like the way that Star is helpful to us is she spots all of those dangers coming towards our den. Like, almost all of them, she spots. And I feel like that's really helpful. Hi, we're going. Yeah. Going pretty far. Try to get them before we get into Blood Lake Pack territory. Although we wouldn't mind taking over some of that. Come on, Star. Alright, we're gonna hang back. Get some salmon. Nice job, Star. Oh, whoa, this picture's so cool. Look at it. They're both together hunting. Alright. Whoa. Sorry about the lag, guys. Okay, there. Okay. Yes, Stars got her on hold. There. And we've done it, guys. So now we're gonna get some nice food, and let's actually, yeah, let's go strengthen this place up. We're just gonna, what is that? Wait, what is that? Is that a cougar? Guys, it's a freaking cougar. Yeah, run. Oh my gosh, for a sec, I thought that was a wolf with a really long tail. I was like, what the heck? Yeah, so we weren't that hungry, but let's just, strengthen up this territory. Guys, I can't believe we had a cougar encounter. Wow, that's the first cougar that I've actually seen. And, you know, on our way back, let's just head southwest a bit so that we can take some of that Blood Lake Pack territory. Wouldn't mind doing that. Yeah, so we've completely renamed what used to be the Crevice Lake Pack. They are now the Blood Lake Pack. Let's see. Okay, good. We're almost there. There we go. And there's scent posts this way. And they've been marking their borders very strongly, and we'll do anything to protect our pups. Especially getting back at this Crevice Lake Pack. There it is. Okay, we don't smell any other wolves. We haven't actually had any encounters with other wolves in their territory, and I guarantee you I'm going to jinx it right now. Yeah, so this one wasn't marked very well. So let's head back. Don't really care about the den. Where's our den? I think it's should be south, right? Yeah, it should be like southeast. There. So let's head back. We've got a full tummy. Yeah. I'm nervous about the fact that there's no music. There we go. The music in this game actually really tells you a lot. I don't know why. It's just like, it's really telling. It's like, the music changes when like there's an attack at the den, or like when there's prey nearby, or when there's a cougar. So I think it's really helpful. And there's some coyotes. We do not like coyotes at all because they've tried attacking our pups numerous times. So if we weren't carrying a chunk of meat in our mouths, we would give them a little nip. Alright. Let's just go this way. And, ooh, is this actually an elk herd? Oh, no, it's another bull elk herd. I don't know. We don't want to mess with you, buddy. I actually have no clue where all the normal elk herds went. Oh, there's a moose. Because there were some before. Now there's just bull elk herds, so maybe since it is getting closer to summer technically, so we're gonna really try and get our pups to the summer hunting grounds. And good, we're almost there. We're actually a good deal away. So, Star's so excited. Right, yeah, so our affinity is getting probably the lowest that we've ever had it. Because normally we don't have to go very far from the den to find food. So, there's Midnight out first as always. Hi. Keeping my eye out for attacks because there happens to be a lot of those. Let's go catch a bunny real quickly. Bunny, it wasn't your lucky day. I suggest you don't go right outside a wolf den. Twilight, you want food? Here. Oh, she's actually pretty full. Alright, Umbra, you want some? We're gonna make sure our pups are stuffed. Things a lot of the time come from the east, so. Alright, Dawn, you're hungry. Nice things on the ground, so we're gonna be watching that. Alright, so Dawn, I think, is the only one that's still hungry. Everyone stay close now, Saturn. You might as well give yourself. Okay, stars. Hey! Missed. Saturn. Hey! Hey! Be careful now. Missed. Mars. Okay. We have a strategy. We call everyone back into the den. Then we call them out and then they're all close to the den again. So let's go eat this chunk of meat. And, let's see, how about other fleas? Okay, so the fleas are pretty bad. And everyone's pretty much full. Let's just eat up. Oh, the star's coming. Oh, that branch scared me for a sec. I know it sounds silly, but there's a lot of things to be scared of when you're a wolf parent. You read that everything can eat your pups. You wanna play? I don't think she's feeling very playful right now. Okay. How about... Hey, Star! Wanna chin rest? You're such a good name. Okay, so she doesn't feel Midnight. What are you doing out? Oh, everyone's just coming out. Okay. You're like, Dad. Alright, might as well. Okay. The whole pack's just coming out now. I'm actually even though there's only 3 of them, this is so cute. They're all just playing. Midnight's actually lighter brown than I thought she was. Okay, yep, everyone's just coming out. Because it's actually really good, we can see them. Who's howling? Wait. I think Mars is. Oh, this is so cute! You're so sweet. Alright. Who was that? Mars, don't run too far now. Umbra, you are also part of the Don't Run Too Far group. Okay, Umbra seems to... Oh, I didn't want to give you food, but I guess that works. Okay. Mars. Hey. Hey. Mars. Mars, you little troublemaker. Both of the boys, Saturn and Mars, everyone's troublemakers, really. Okay, let's go to sleep before anyone can wander too far. Oh, they're doing it. Hey. Okay. Okay, good. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And, I've actually learned something that if it wakes you up early, probably means something's wrong. So, okay, everyone in the den now. because I've also learned from patterns that something usually attacks our pups right after we sleep. And let's check the pups. Okay, so they're 15 or they're 13 pounds. They're almost 15 pounds. And let's go get some food. Star. Okay, Star's gonna come with us now. And there is an elk herd. Ooh, let's actually check our territory. Okay, yeah, so they're definitely pressing it. Alright, you know what? Let's just go after wait. There's a dark pink one. But then what's this normal pink one? So it's still a bull elk herd. Okay, yeah. No, that one. Aha! The buttercup herd. I think that'd be a much better picking than the bull elk herd. Although they did. Why not? Oh, they went the other way. Plus, they will give us Mervin meal. Then, and they're right there. Let's pick you. Oh, sweet. Yeah, see, we can normally pick the weak ones out pretty. Whoa, start hunting around or what? Okay. Whoa, that's so cool. Da. Okay. Oh, dang, wasn't the picture I wanted. Whoa, don't want centipede. Nope. Whoa, this actually looks really cool right now. Oh, is that an elk herd down there? Wait, I think. Hey. We'll go for this herd. Whoa, that damaged us a lot. No, okay, that's a bull elk herd. Alright, guess we're going after him. Hey, buddy. Whoa! Okay. Okay, that's so cool. We're on his neck. He looks unfazed by it. He's just... Star, come on. Do you want to help? Ooh, there! We got him by his neck. Come on, Star. I like how all of his friends are just watching. Okay. We keep gripping him by the neck. I want him to. Whoa! We are literally going to get kicked to death. Alright. We're going back to the den. We can't afford to, like, die. We're really hurt, guys. We're at, wait, let's check. Yeah, our health is at 14%. He was taking like 45 damage off of that. We can take a bunny though. And I saw Umbra coming out of the den, so that worries me. Especially if something attacks, but Star's back there, so. Umbra! Ah! Okay, I guess I can feed you guys a bit, but then we need to sleep. Here, Sam, you want some food? Good, and Star's actually near us right now. Let's call everyone out. I would really want a picture with Star. Star, we need this picture. Oh, one of them. Saturn's really cute like that. Midnight's sneaking up on it. Oh, there. You're a bit hungry. Saturn. Hey. Yeah. I know you want to go away, buddy. But you can't. You gotta stay. Mars, that includes you. Both of you. Okay, and let's settle down, Saturn. Yeah. Okay, good. He's like, dang it. It is getting later. Okay, yeah, so now it's night. And then we're gonna send everyone into the den. Yeah, sorry guys, I know you're hungry. But hungry. In the den. In. I told you guys, miss, that includes you. Thank you very much. See, look, Star knows it too. Where? There. See, Star knows exactly where. Ooh, there's 2 of them. Guys, there's 2 of them. I think it's Crevice Lake again. I can't see right now. But I feel like it recognizes me. What? Why is our territory being taken away? What is happening? Hey, you stop. What is happening? I think they're trying to... Don't get away from our death. Yeah. Get away. Ah, guys. Prospect Peak? Oh no. This is it. We're at war with everyone except for Junction View. Yeah, Prospect Peak came? I thought Prospect Peak didn't want to do this to us. Now here's what I think. Now there's the other one's just standing there. For real? Hey, yeah, you're weak. We can kill you. Come on, Star, come out. Okay, good. She's howling, getting her territory back up because I think they were trying to take our territory and she might just be fast enough. Oh, there we go. We got her. She seems to be getting tired. There we go. Guys, I think Shadow's had enough. I think he would kill this wolf. Especially because, he doesn't necessarily believe that, he doesn't necessarily believe, you know what? I think he doesn't want to kill another wolf, though. He's just not evil enough. Okay, we're gonna let go. Get away. Yeah, hey. We're not gonna kill you, but you better run. Stop running into our territory. That's what I suggest. And I think actually, yeah. Oh, yeah. Okay. They've been taking our borders a lot, guys. And then we're gonna go south. You, bunny? Could use a little bit of food. And we're going to do victory howl. Because, yeah. Shadow's not evil enough to kill. But I think now his kids, they know how bad everyone has been to Shadow. Prospect Peak? Oh, guys, what about this?
Is it bunny? What is that? What is that? Is it bunny? It is.
Guys, I think, what if Dark Lake has secretly taken over Prospect Peak? I think that would make for something very interesting. Oh, and is Star coming? She is. I love how Star like comes back to defend the puppies. Like she howls and she's like, "Get away, go Shadow." Ooh, sweet. Wouldn't mind some food right now. Alright. Let's get her. We are taking a good deal of damage, but I think we are also still hurt from the elk attack. Yeah, but I think whoever's picked as the heir to the Eclipse pack, they're definitely going to kill another wolf. If it's from Blood Lake. Sorry, I called them Crevice Lake. It's gonna take me a bit to get used to the new name. If it's from Blood Lake or Prospect Peak. Because they know their dad's story. Even though their dad expects that Dark Lake and Prospect Peak are now one pack, he still is prepared to do anything. Wow, guys. I can't believe we've been attacked just from all angles here, and I'm telling you guys, why does it happen with, like, it's always when we wake up. At least though I'm prepared for the attacks. That's the only good thing I can say. Yeah, so after that, wow. Straight up wow. So please like and subscribe if you can, and join us as we continue with Shadow's story, and, well, hopefully we'll get to the summer quarantine ground soon, and, protect their pups from all these wolf attacks. Nature wolf.